I welcome you all to this video. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about Microsoft SQL Server course introduction. So let's begin with the discussion. So on this slide, you can see that we have divided the entire curriculum into various segments, into various parts. And whatever curriculum has been created, it is strictly relevant for interviews, and keeping the interviews in mind. And from interviews perspective, we have covered all that, whatever is needed. And also in the future, we will be adding more content. We will keep on enhancing and enriching this content. So let's further discuss about the different segments. So the very first part is of SQL Basics. In SQL Basics, certain topics have been covered, like right from the discussion about the select statement, then select distinct, then we have group by, we have subqueries. In fact, we have discussed about joins, different types of joins, and etc. So all that has been covered in the SQL Basics section. Then we have a section for SQL Advanced. And in SQL Advanced section, we will be discussing about stored procedures, views, common table expressions, indexes, and all that part is going to be covered as a part of SQL Advanced section. Then we have SQL Functions. So as you all know that there are certain window functions which are pretty much helpful and useful. So we have discussed about the window functions, and we have discussed about other functions as well in this segment, like your police function and your isNull function, and then there are some other functions as well that you will find in this SQL Functions section. And then we have interview questions. So we basically have two sections for the questions. So in the very first section or the part, you will find questions based on SQL Basics, and that will help you enhance the understanding about the basic concepts that you have learned in SQL, and certainly you can expect those questions in interviews as well. And then there is yet another section for the interviews, interview questions, where we have added more questions, and you can actually expect those questions in the interviews. So we have a separate section for that as well. Apart from that, we have a section for project, and in that projects section, we will be discussing about a project in which we will be using Microsoft SQL Server as the data source, and then we will bring the data to Power BI, and then we will discuss about entire workflow and end-to-end project execution using Microsoft SQL Server and Power BI. Although there is one more project which is available in the Power BI section, wherein we have discussed about end-to-end execution of a project using Microsoft SQL Server. And in this section as well, on a different domain, we will be adding other project video. And as I already said, that we will keep on enhancing and enriching this content in the future as well. So that's all for the curriculum part. Thank you.